Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the laptop is powered and your account is unlocked so changes apply immediately. Locate physical volume keys or the FN plus speaker icon row. These are the primary controls. Once found, open the system sound settings from the taskbar or Settings app to see the current output device and levels. Doing this helps you understand which control affects speakers versus headphones. Make sure to note whether a mute indicator shows. It changes how keys will behave. You press the volume up or down keys to change sound immediately. If icons are secondary, hold FN while pressing. As you adjust, watch the on-screen OSD or sound settings slider for exact numerical feedback. This gives precise control when 1-2 increments matter. Once done, test with a short audio file or video to confirm the effect. If audio goes to the wrong device, open Output Device List and select speakers or headphones so the keys control the. You finish by testing volume across multiple apps to ensure consistent response to the keys. Some apps have their own mixers. If you hear nothing, check the mute key first and then open the volume mixer to adjust per app levels. Once done, if problems persist, restart the audio service or update the audio driver in Device Manager. This resolves most driver-related issues. As a key troubleshooting tip, rebooting the laptop often restores normal key behavior and clears transient sound conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.